For the Law and You. Back with us in the chairs today, we have award-winning attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
We missed you. We just had to come back today.
We missed you as well. I'm glad you made it through some of the flurries out there this evening.
Oh, yeah, heavy flurries.
Always be careful, though. A little bit of snow sometimes causes some problems. Here's our question today. It's about a police officer on the job. I was working as a police officer for 10 years when I was involved in a bad motor vehicle collision. I have not been able to return to work because of my back injuries, and I was just diagnosed with depressions. What are my options? This is from John in Hazleton.
Well, John, I'm going to address there's really two options. You're going to have a workers' compensation case, and then potentially, if we had a little bit more information, you may have a motor vehicle case as well. I'll address the comp case issue. Greg can hit the motor vehicle. You certainly want to open a comp claim if you haven't already to first of all get your wages and your medical bills paid for. In addition, you're having this psychological issue which can be very difficult in the context of a workers' compensation claim. You got to get to an attorney that specializes in these types of cases. We do these cases all the time. They're very difficult. They're very, very, very fact specific, and you got to make sure that you have the right doctors that are going to be able to help you in the context of this case. And turn it over to Greg for the motor vehicle.
Yeah, well, and also with regard to the comp case, make sure you're getting your heart and lung benefits, because that get you your full pay. That's something that first responders get, including police officers. So that's something you should get. With regard to the motor vehicle accident, it's pretty simple. You need to keep treating with your physicians, open a claim with your auto insurance, and proceed with your treatment so we know exactly what's going on with that case. And then if the person who hit you is clearly at fault, then it just becomes an issue of what your damages are. And the interplay between the workers' compensation and the auto cases, that workers' compensation is going to be saying to you, hey, you got to pay us back for the money we spent to get you better to pay your medical bills. So that becomes a part of your underlying auto claim. Very complex, very complicated stuff. You definitely need a lawyer who knows what they're doing on these cases.
All right, for our viewers who may have gotten hurt on the job, they're not sure where to turn, and they need some legal advice, how can they reach you?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment. And I think that we're now going to be up and running on Twitter as well. So.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah.
You guys are really getting with the times.
Oh, social media.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, gentlemen, thanks.
Thanks for having us.
Don't forget, we're back tomorrow. And in the meantime, you could throw another question our way on PAHomepage.com or, of course, the Law and You hotline.